we are only trying to fight for is our rights.
So what do you think people misunderstand most about, same-sex couples who choose commitment anyway? So there's a lot of people maybe commenting on why do the ceremony, or why do couples choose to do the ceremony even though it's not legally recognized?
What people don't understand, sometimes they're afraid of. And once they're afraid of it, they tend to blur and don't really see the bigger picture. In our case, or speaking in behalf of those who have celebrated unions here in the Philippines, I believe what we are only trying to fight for is our rights. Rights to choose whom we want to love, whom we want to live our life with, whom we want to achieve our goals and build our dreams with.
Yes.
It's simple. I'll go on the political side of it. For example, hospital ka, or may mga propiedad ka. How will you be able to share it with your partner if it's not going to be legally acknowledged? Wala kami ibang may ginalagas. It's just that. For example, my partner used to work in a call center before, and they have this HMO, right?
Yes.
There was this time during pandemic, I realized na, oh my gosh, hindi gali ako pwede kaakano sa imong HMO. Kaya hindi gali beneficiary is either family mo kid. Hindi kita legally acknowledge. Amo na, that's a problem. For example, if I own a small lot or a small balay, property, hindi na pwede ma-acknowledge man nga kung gusto ko nga i-share with you.
The conjugal.
So, or conjugal, mo na, abay ko ni mo, unta mo na. Kaya tungod, the legality of it, hindi na lang ipag-acknowledge. So, amo na ang mga small details that you're fighting for. Not the bongacious celebration or what. Ang bongacious celebration is just, kumaga, ano na lang na bonus.
Yes.
Bonus na lang na because you're proud of your partner or you're proud of the love you share.